you think na easy yung buhay natin dito, mga OFW? Hindi in tawon. Kasi nakakabit tayo dito, mga ter. Ito yung buhay ng OFW. Kung alam nyo lang, mga kaibigan. Cagayan! Manila, Cagayan! Hey! What's that? Okay. Morning guys, this is my real life here in Thailand. It's 5 o'clock in the morning here. Look ka guys, umuulan, wala akong payong, kalimutan ko yung payong. So we need to take a bus 132. We are waiting for bus 132, mga kaibigan. Magre-retouch ako later sa school. See you there. Guys, it's still so dark. Look at the way. Grabe. We need to walk going to that sasakyan. Kana o? Kanima na itong sakyan, mga kaibigan. We need to sakay-sakay this one, mga kaibigan. This is the upuan of the sasakyan. And this is my face. Ito yung face natin, mga kaibigan.
You are the love of my life. And I'm waiting for... Larga na tayo, mga Turk. Oh, Cagayan, Cagayan. Laway, di mo focus. Cagayan, Cagayan. Manila, Cagayan. So guys, yung bus is 15 minutes yung bus. At saka itong Songteo is about 15 minutes. Yung traffic is about 1 hour yung biyahe natin, mga kater. Cagayan!
Manila, Cagayan!
You are the love of my life. Waiting for so long. You are the love of my life. Kanta lang ani. Oh, nasi Manong drum. Tonto, yung kita. Terus Manong. Walang pasahero, mga kaibigan. Ako lang mag-isa dito. Oh, i-tour ko kayo sa Bangkok, Thailand. This is the way na papunta sa paaralan. Ang layo-layo, mga kaibigan. Dyan, baka mahanap natin yung forever natin dyan. Kanta. So, mga kaibigan, no? You think na easy yung buhay natin dito, mga OFW? Hindi in tawon. Kasi nakakabit tayo dito, mga ter. Ito yung buhay ng OFW. Kung alam nyo lang, mga kaibigan. Don't you ever think that we have easy life here.
Hi! This is my friend! We work in the same school.
And we're here. This is the way to school.
So from the Songteo, mga kaibigan, it's 15 minutes. And, huy, kalakusa kong dagway, mga ter. Huy. So, ang bus is 15 to 20 minutes. The Songteo is 15 to 20 minutes. To, mga kaibigan. So, yun ang biyahe natin at maglalakad lang about 5 minutes para makasign in sa paaralan na ito. Sara sa sweet sa wanabom kay kororo. We're here mga guys. Magkuan tayo mag-ana sa kamot. Breakfast. Eggplant and rice. Kain tayo. La 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 la. Teacher ba? Classroom already. So we don't have students yet mga kaibigan. So we have time to retouch this crazy face. Kasi mamaya when we have students, we are not allowed to have makeup because we need to take good care of them. Okay. So guys, we need to draw this one, mga ter, in the blackboard. We need to draw a flower. Saran, you take video, Teacher Elgin, okay? Sabi, ang ganda ni Elisa.
Kaya mo siya mag-picture.
Boy, attention! Attention! Let's go!
Guys, I'm here sa bahay with my daughter, Sisi Cat! Tata! Hoy, what's that? Hey! What's that? Agoy, busy kayo siya mga kaigsuunan. So busy! Okay, bye-bye, be. Bye-bye! Sawadika. Sawadika kon. Sawadika. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy your subscribe or more videos. And that's my life here in Thailand. You think it's easy, but it's not. Thank you. Bye-bye.